Philippine Coast Guard, Military Civilian Reservists, Captain Dieter Ocampo, Philippine Coast Guard, Second Lieutenant Mateo Guidicelli, Philippine Army, Miss Universe Philippines 2023 Sergeant Michelle Marquez Dee, Philippine Air Force.
For his historical tours and our brave and courageous armed forces of the Philippines, thank you very much for your service. Let us please give a round of applause to our public servants and our armed forces of the Philippines. This month, we celebrate the 127th martyrdom of our national hero, Captain Dieter, I believe, is the first in his industry to do this. This inspired me to call Second Lieutenant Guidicelli, who immediately said without batting an eyelash, "Yes, I will make time for this." Having the Coast Guard and the Army, I only needed someone from the Air Force, preferably a woman, to balance the two. Indeed, we have a god of surprises. Sergeant Michelle Marquez Dee just landed from her recent El Salvador Miss Universe competition when her number was handed to me. And of course, I can't give it to you. But today, we have them here together with a cast of Gomburza, the movie. The Salute to a Clean Flag movement partnered with the National Historical Commission of the Philippines and the National Parks Development Committee is a non-political private sector initiative with a mission to reignite the Filipinos' passive, almost dying love for country through the honoring of modern-day living Filipinos, and also to encourage everyone to display only clean Philippine flags in all ports of entry and their buildings.
All right, stop. Bang.